Want to unlock some of Chrome's hidden power features? In this quick guide, I'll show you the best Chrome flags that advanced users love, and how to enable them safely. Let's dive in. First, open Google Chrome and type chrome://flags in the address bar, then press Enter. You'll see a page full of experimental features that can boost Chrome's speed, appearance, and productivity. Now, let's go through a few of the most useful ones. Step 1. Parallel downloading. Search for this flag and enable it. It speeds up your downloads by splitting files into multiple parts, just like a professional download manager. Step 2. Smooth scrolling. Turn this on for a smoother and more responsive scrolling experience, especially on long web pages. Step 3. Hardware accelerated video decode. Enable this to let Chrome use your GPU for playing videos. It reduces CPU usage and helps improve battery life. After enabling any flag, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Click it, and your new settings will take effect instantly. And that's it. You've just unlocked Chrome's hidden potential with flags. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tech tips.